So there are small things which we know we need to put it into practice. Essentially, that is what it is. You cannot compensate love with anything. And love is pouring from everybody's heart. We need to be open. As he said, you need to feel it. And that feeling, when you have for your own body, it will spread tremendously. Because your skill is only to accept things, because you are really learning patience, learning courage, learning everything, because that is there is no concession as such. They know, as he said, if you interfere a little bit, it will come again. If you don't interfere, it won't come. Frequency, intensity and duration of the symptoms come less and less. I was 20 years, not 20 years, at least 15 years I was a victim of migraine. Lot of things I learned, and now I pinch myself, did I have that headache? Can I be really, my only worry is I don't worry, my only problem is I don't have problem. And if you really sit and analyze, you will say that I am fooling myself. Ask her. You know to continuously accept the fact and say thank you. Is there anything I can do? That is what Emerson's saying is one of my favorite position. God give me the courage to change the things that I can. Serenity to accept the things that I cannot change, and wisdom to know the difference. That will be practical as far as your body is concerned. As far as the body is concerned, you can do wisely. You can change and you cannot change. You cannot change the position that the body is troubling you now. What you can change is the way you look at the body and what you do to the body. That is the art and craft you learn. This can be science, this can be philosophy. All that I can say is, all these people 3 hours once a week and a constant exposure when they are not well is what has produced them like this. And look at the power they have. How many people they are influencing? I myself did not know. Is there an insurance? That is why I hope and pray that this will not be reduced into a commercial transaction. For some time I feel protection you need to do, intellectual property. There are a lot of requests coming, lot of advices coming. I don't know how I am going to really bring the balance, but I know the balance is already happening at a very different level, because I know that when I conduct workshops like this, now more and more I see the energy flowing and resistance is not there. So I hope that through some questions that you are asking, I can make it more clear. So